Obi Yodi here. First, with a bird barking on a cat.
Now, I'm a huge soccer fan, but what the good curry is going on here on the field? I tell you what, the Japanese are at it again. There are more players on the pitch than the new Avengers movie. Okay, I will be honest, the kid team is not playing a good strategy right now. With this many people on the pitch, they need to be proactive and play boy-to-man defense, 33 on 1. But I guess the saying is right. It doesn't matter if you have 9 goalkeepers as long as they're 4 feet tall. As the adults just say, screw this, I'm headed in over these losers, suck it!
That's it from Yodiville. See you next time. Bye.